i35equipment.com. This is the John Deere 950J bulldozer. Well, can you come look at this machine or for yourself? You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire someone who wants to come to you if you like. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call, get on the counter. Phone number is 405-833-6437. We do send equipment all over the country, so getting it shipped to you shouldn't be too big of an issue as long as you have room for a semi-truck and such a sizable machine. You can arrange for your own shipping if you like, but if you'd like a phone quote, give us a call, text, email, or fill out the form on the website. We'll share that your address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with you with the best rate that comes back with us. In case you missed it there, that ripper not only has up and down function, but also a tilting function, depending on your ripping needs. Pretty cool feature. You don't see that a lot. This unit is built by Liebherr in collaboration with John Deere. If you're familiar with Deere, you know they make a really high quality dozer. Lots of power. You barely had it throttled up there, but you can see it was picking itself up front and back. It does have the 4-way blade, full cab, factory HVAC. We're gonna walk around and check out the undercarriage. Then he's gonna push some dirt for us. Like I said earlier, this not only goes up and down, but also tilts forward and backward. Go ahead and push on this dirt for us, and we'll check out the other side of the undercarriage, and then we'll hop up in the operator station and check out the interior. Machine has so much power. Fantastic on the construction side, farm or ranch, for all sorts of projects. It's a nimble machine for being the size that it is. You can see it's handling really well. On the other side before we get up in the operator station. Rollers, pins. Pretty good looking seat in here. All right, here we go. This of course is your throttle. HVAC controls up here. This is going to operate your blade. This has to go down for safety before you do anything. I'm not showing any codes or anything. The only thing lit up is your parking brake, which is on right now. Currently sitting at 10,573 hours. Foot decelerator pedal. This is for your ripper. And we're going to drop this and just show you ripper, so tilting, pretty cool. It's just not a feature you see a lot. Usually it's just that up and down. Very nice. And then of course this is going to handle your tracking. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Hope it was beneficial to you. And as always, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.